Welcome to Arogya Vidya. We provide you with ways to feel, heal, and nourish. To get notified about our latest videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. Burn injuries are quite common for people who cook or work in close contact with fire, hot metals, etc. Sometimes children unknowingly touch hot objects like utensils, bike exhausts, etc. Let us not forget about people who are accident prone. Diwali and firework celebrations are two common occasions where we may sustain some burn injuries. Today we will talk about some precautionary measures to avoid burns and natural home remedies that we can follow in case of minor burns. In case of major burns though, it is better to consult a physician immediately. Some precautions you can follow are: number 1, do not wear loose clothes which may accidentally catch fire. Number 2, wear an apron while cooking. Number 3, keep a woolen blanket handy in case someone or something catches on fire. Avoid nylon blankets. Roll the blanket around the affected person or object to put out the fire. Number 4, in case of accident prone people, keep a domestic fire extinguisher handy. Number 5, install a fire alarm if you expect accidents. Number 6, educate children about fire accidents and ways to put out fire. Without any delay, let's move on to remedies for treating burn injuries. Remedy 1, apply coconut oil on the affected area. Remedy 2, apply pure honey on the affected area, although where to get pure honey is a $1,000,000 question. Number 3, apply idli batter or dosa batter on the injury. Remedy 4, burn some old jute bags to ashes. Sprinkle the ashes on the burn injury to heal it. Remedy 5, peel a ripe banana and mash it well. Apply the mashed banana on the injury and cover it with a betel leaf. Tie a bandage around it and keep the wound dry till completely healed. Remedy 6, mash some tender neem leaves. Wrap them with castor leaves and place inside hot wood ashes. When it is cooked, take it out and apply it on the affected area. Remedy 7, grind equal quantity of calcined lime and flower of sodom apple. Apply the paste on the wound. You can find the regional names for the herb in the description box below. Remedy 8, apply the juice of pumpkin leaf on the injury. Remedy 9, mix the juice of ash gourd leaves with gingerly oil and apply on the affected area. Remedy 10, burn a used palm leaf box used for storing palm jaggery. Mix the resultant ash with gingerly oil and apply on the injury. If you found the video helpful, please like, share and comment below. See you next time. Good day.